moving quite along. I got the firewall welded up. Now at this point I need to go around and figure out all the places where I had holes welded up and stuff that I didn't want it to be from the factory, because it's a lot of that stuff I'm not going to use anymore. I'm going to do a little bit of body work just to smooth everything out so we get a better appearance whenever we actually go to paint. But as you can see, we got everything primered. We got everything kind of situated to where now I've marked off my holes, the areas that I want to add just a little bit of body filler with some of the red spots throughout all this. Same with the firewall over on that area, and then same on the other side. Just trying to give it a better off appearance so that when I do paint it, it looks a little bit more clean versus like it's been beat up. It's an older car, so a little bit of work to make it look a little bit better. So let's get to more work.
guys, I think we're at the final spot, the part I've been most excited for. It's ready for paint. So kind of working on getting the car all situated, get everything taped off. I got everything set aside so I can go through and start painting all that. So can't wait to lay down some paint on this thing and finally start moving to assembly. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.